Picture this. You're cruising down the highway when suddenly your check engine light starts flashing and your car begins shaking like it's about to fall apart. If you're driving an Audi or Volkswagen, chances are you're experiencing the notorious ignition coil failure that's been plaguing these vehicles for years. Every day, countless Audi and Volkswagen owners face this nerve-wracking situation, especially those driving 2.0T and V6 models. But what's really happening under the hood? Think of your ignition coils as the heart's electrical system of your engine. They transform your car's standard 12-volt power into the thousands of volts needed to create that crucial spark that keeps your engine running smoothly. When these coils start failing, it's like having a heart with an irregular heartbeat. Your engine misfires, creating that distinctive rough idle that feels like your car is struggling to stay alive. The flashing check engine light isn't just an annoyance. It's your car's desperate cry for help, warning you that something's seriously wrong. But why do these ignition coils fail so frequently in Audis and Volkswagens? The answer lies in the intense heat generated by turbo engines. These high-performance power plants create extreme temperatures that literally cook the ignition coils over time. It's like asking someone to work in a sauna all day, every day. Eventually, something's got to give. The cost of fixing this issue typically ranges between $300 and $600, depending on how many coils need replacement. While it might seem expensive, ignoring the problem could lead to catastrophic engine damage. Many experienced mechanics recommend replacing all ignition coils at once, even if only one has failed, to prevent future breakdowns. Here's what makes this problem particularly tricky. Ignition coil failure often starts subtly. You might notice slight hesitation during acceleration, or your car might feel a bit rougher than usual during your morning commute. By the time the check engine light starts flashing, you're already in the danger zone. Prevention is your best defense. Regular maintenance checks can catch wearing coils before they fail completely. If you're driving a turbocharged Audi or Volkswagen, consider having your ignition coils inspected every 30,000 miles. Remember, a small investment in prevention could save you from being stranded on the side of the road with a misfiring engine. Call 267-279-9477 or visit www.doylestownautoshop.com to schedule your appointment today.